some air. One, two, three.
Check out this Audi SQ5, guys. So this is a really cool project that we were a part of. If you look at this, you can tell there's something very different about this SQ5, and that's because it has an ABT wide body kit. I think this is the only or the first Audi SQ5 in Houston with this kit. It looks freaking amazing. So just a quick rundown on this. Whole car was painted Nardo gray. The kit comes with a front skirt that you see, fender extensions, the side skirt, the rear skirt set, and also a wing that's mounted up top. I really love the color scheme on this entire build. The red accents around the pieces really freaking highlight the kit, and it just makes it look so much more detailed. And last but not least, we helped the client get the Vossen's HF5s, which is what you see here, 21s, gloss black. Looks so good with this whole build. Fitment is amazing because we custom built these for the SQ5, knowing that there would be a wide body installed. Shout out to Collision Plus for doing the painting, the bodywork, the installation of the whole kit. It looks amazing.
What is my gas gauge that doesn't work?
Why doesn't it work?
No, it's old. Reads way past full look. Everything else works.
Does it ever go down?
It hasn't gone down 2 days.
This is interesting.
Haywood goes up to all the holes.
This is interesting. This is interesting.
Yo, this is probably the only Porsche I would buy. Carbon fiber yellow stitching. Oh, Alcantara. Oh, this is so nice. Look at that headrest. That is sick. Oh, side vents on the bumper. You guys know how I love my side vents.
This or a 991 GT3 though?
Probably this.
Probably more fun.
Yeah, Porsche Boxster Spyder. So the reason why this Porsche Boxster Spyder is in is because we're going to be doing a Clearbra. I'm not really a big Porsche guy, but man, I think I really like this car. Brand new Porsche Boxster Spyder is now complete with their full front end Clearbra. Definitely recommend you getting this if you're getting a brand new car and you want to keep the paint looking new as long as possible. Just because your car is 2 years old, 5 years old, or 10 years old doesn't mean it has to look that way. I get asked all the time, how is the clarity of the film, especially comparing a panel that has Clearbra to a panel that doesn't. This fender here has Clearbra and this door here does not. It looks literally identical. Some brands are a little bit more obvious, but that's why we only use the best brands possible to achieve a result like this. What is about to happen that's gonna be so much fun?
Big ass rat here,
Really?
Yeah, look.
You're such a liar.
I swear to God, look right here. Look, go, trust.
Move, let me see.
There's a lot of rat droppings though, you see.
Oh God.
It's pretty bad.
How do you have space to drop all those droppings in there? Looks like someone spilt a bag of dog food in the engine bay. That's the smell of the tunnel. What are those horizontal things?
That's what I thought. It looks like dog food.
It's not dog food?
It looks like dog cat food.
It is, right?
No, I don't know. What if it's rat droppings? I don't know.
No, they're not cool.
Maybe we're dealing with some badass rat, bro.
It has a horizontal anus. Why was Tyler not helping?
I'm scared.
Are you serious?
He's a phobia about this type of stuff.
Ooh.
No, hold down. Yeah, hold that one down. Yes.
I see more.
Yeah, that is dog food.
That is dog food.
Dog food, this is rat droppings. Dude, that smells so bad. Holy
You're freezing it.
God, so much better.
Oh, yummy. Smells so juicy. Ozone treatment, Corona treatment.
Tesla Model Y is in with us today. Why? So the sides and the back are gonna get tinted, and the sunroof. Now that's a big sunroof, I don't blame them. We're prepping the film for the massive sunroof, all done in one piece. The Model Y is really starting to grow on me. So another Model Y we just got finished up with photo-sync window tint, 30% on the sides and the back, and then we did 70 on the big freaking sunroof up top, all one piece. All of our films block 99.99% of UVA and UVB. So if you have super sensitive skin, rest assured knowing that this film will help protect your skin while you're driving, among all the other great benefits you'll get with photo-sync. Fiat Abarth, you guys remember this one? We tinted this in 5% limo tint.
Do it again.
Oh, okay. Fiat Abarth is in today, guys. We are gonna be putting some stickers on it.
We're doing these, not those ones.
Oh, these little ones?
Yeah. So, can I put this one up like this?
Wait, put it on. Wait, hold on. Yes. I'm gonna go get the sticker. Just like this.
But what does it mean?
These are the tracks that the Abarth has raced in.
It's a cute, mean car.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, just hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
This is supposed to be a hang tag?
Yeah.
I just, for a second,
Oh, that's so cool!
at first I thought you guys stuffed it in here.
No.
Like I thought Sean put it here so he can clean.
Hand wash only.
Oh my god, that is amazing.
That, oh,
That's pretty cool, right? Can you drive it?
it's a hand tag.
Okay, dude, you can't say that's not cute.
That's pretty good.
That's
That is cute.